Hello everyone, welcome to Five with Kankana. Aji goi aso Faimonda movie kon saboloi jikhon Munin Boruar Debor ekhon khub dhunia biopic eya gari forti hwale roi amoni lagise aro manhu nuhake jihetu najai gari khon etia finally start hol eya sa bagan amar khoror logote aro eya saksun poribektu ki dhunia ekdom gosere abura sar fale greenery ekdom khub dhunia amar usor pajorer poribekbur aro movie hall pai usorte panipuri dekhi robon wailo jihetu movie kon start hobo etiao olop time ase he panipuri khai lolo aro eya finally movie hallot entry koilo hosake ei movie kon sai iman bhal lagise hokodure acting khub bhal hoise ji hokole swa nai teolukok moi kom apnalike ebar sabo aro saifale apnalike ketiao regret feel nokore apnalukor khub bhal lagibo a must watch Assamese movie hoy Aro movie sai dhuniake movie hallor pora ulai ahilo iman khini loke jodi mor video to saise thank you so much for watching and please like share and subscribe to Five with Kankana.